The Imagine AIM lineup is one of Grand Design's latest offerings, but what separates it from the rest? Here's how Grand Design aimed high with this lineup. Starting off, these floor plans range in length between 20 and 22 feet long. This means these trailers can go where others can't. Whether you're boondocking or navigating a packed campsite, maneuvering this is a breeze. And going hand in hand with size, every Imagine AIM has a gross vehicle weight rating of 4,795 pounds, making it more accessible to families that don't have a powerful towing vehicle. The Imagine AIM can be pulled by many of today's SUVs. Typically in the RV industry, sacrificing size and weight means sacrificing some of the creature comforts you'd expect in a full-size trailer. Utilizing Azdel construction, Grand Design is able to reduce a significant amount of weight with no disadvantage to the consumer. This allows each trailer to be built to the same fit and finish of the standard Imagine lineup, with all of the same features. Similar trailers of this size don't often have Azdel construction, a power tongue jack for quick and easy leveling, or rooftop solar panels to prolong your adventure. But these come standard with every AIM model. Small features like this add up quick to distinguish the AIM lineup from the competition. That about does it for the Grand Design AIM. Did we miss anything? Comment below what your favorite feature on the Imagine AIM is. Don't forget to leave us a like, it really helps out, and subscribe for more RV content. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.